Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this box of Systane Ultra PF preservative free dry eye relief lubricant eye drops by Alcon. Let's go. 60 individual vials. Standard instructions. If you are watching this to try to find good eye drops, I hope your eyes feel better. All right, here we go. This is what it looks like. There's a little tab you open it up with, and it comes in these individual vials. They're stuck together, packs of 5, but you break them apart. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below, and I will drop a link to the description of where I got these from if you are interested. All right, everyone, hope you're doing well. See you all for the next random unboxing video. Later.